Hi everyone. Okay, here as you can see, we are doing another air scouring in the house. Yeah, and you can see this is two filter, a very typical, more filter, more clean, but it's not necessary like that. So as you can see now, the backwash have been done, and you can see water looks clean. Actually, after we inject the air, then you can actually see it's different thing. Hey, hello everyone, Hadi Ong here from Wangsamas. So today we're gonna share with you about how clean is your water filter. So many actually do this kind of cleaning, mostly doing backwash, but I have one question to you. So how long and how many times you do backwash, right? So some of our customers, yeah, they know what is the proper backwash. But most of our customers that are using water filter, some of them they say that the salesperson have explained on how to do the backwash. So we are here to actually provide the education on how actually the proper backwash being done. Right. First of all, bear in mind even you do backwash, you will not be able to clean thoroughly. Yeah. So for example, like this, we are in one of our what they call our survey, yeah, from our household water filter. This filter have two. So it's a very common that people thought that if you have two, the more the better, right? Not necessarily. The more, the issues here, the more you need to actually maintain it even more. Yeah. So you have two filter. The water come from this, yeah, incoming water go to this filter first. Then after that, you'll go to this filter, then only come in there. Yeah. Even there is a pump here. The pump not supposed to be here. The pump, the correct way to put the pump is supposed to be before the filter, not after the filter. Because the pump will suck the media in a way. Right? Okay, now as you can see here, we're doing a backwash. It look clean already. Now what I'm gonna do next is to do what we call air scour. Air scour process is being practiced in many municipal water. Yeah, in the water plant, they really understand about what is the importance of the clean filter. Yeah, because if the filter not clean, it can create a carcinogenic agent as well. Yeah, as you know, water in Malaysia is chlorinated, heavily chlorinated because of the piping issues. Yeah, lots of piping or some of the season piping. So that's why they need to put more chlorine to disinfect the water. Yeah, that's the cheapest solution to address this besides changing the pipe. So another issues is because of the trapped sediment inside the filter. Yeah, that will be able to create more organic matters. So organic matters that trap inside the filter mixed with chlorine will create another thing called trihalomethane or THM. Yeah, this one, if you research about THM, is really cancer-causing agent. Yeah, so now what we're gonna do today, we're gonna show to our customers that potential customers, not yet our customer yet, that how is it. Yeah, as you can see here, the water look clean. Yeah, so the water look clean after the backwash. This is the second backwash already, so both clean. Yeah, so okay, all right, maybe on this one. Maybe on this one, another mic. Hopefully, I can hear and introduce our client here. Yeah. Okay, I'm Mr. Raja. I'm just gonna do little bit of interview. Yeah, because we are educating the public also. Maybe
Okay.
just
That's it.
yeah, yeah. Maybe I just put one here. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Okay, done. All right.
Can,
So can speak. Yeah.
can.
Okay. Good. All right. So as you can see, okay, come, Mr. Raja. Okay, so Mr. Raja, right? Hi, hi. Okay, so Mr. Raja is a proud owner of this house, and also have a little bit of engineering background, right? Which is
Yeah.
very good. Yeah,
Good.
oil and gas. Yeah, correct. Yeah.
Land reclamation, deepening sea channel,
Ah,
ship
okay, good, good.
channels. Mm.
Okay, good. So now what we can do here, looking at this filter, you have two. I already backwash this one, and then we backwash this one. Yeah. Okay, now the water totally clean. Yeah. Okay. So what I'm gonna do next, basically, Okay, I'm just gonna put this backwash again here. Then I'm gonna just put this. Yeah,
Yeah.
it's okay. All right. So what I'm gonna do, with me, I have a pump here. Right. So I'm gonna connect to this pump, and I'm gonna just inject the water here. So mean I'm gonna stop the incoming water here. Yeah, incoming water here. I'm gonna stop it.
That's it. That's it.
So you can close it. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Good. So with this, the incoming water gone. Yeah, but good with this valve because we can actually inject the air inside. So what the air gonna do is basically just gonna on this. Okay, the pump is on. So the air injected, okay, and it will basically the bubble will come out from the bottom of the filter and create like an aquarium effect. So the bubble will come from. Now we can see the difference. There's a blah, 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 okay. You can see also the waters start to like that. Okay. So what is this process? So since we are confident that it's done, right? It's clean, right? But actually it's not. Yeah. A lot of trapped sediment that accumulated throughout the time that probably still trapped inside. And sometimes we not actually regularly do it because we are traveling, we are so busy. Correct, yeah? Mr. Raja, yeah?
Correct. Correct.
Correct.
I can what the thing
Can see this
saying
side.
that
So,
saying that
so by
it
the,
won't be the routine thing which will be done every time.
yeah, I mean,
Sometimes we miss out,
yeah,
and if you really missed out and
yeah,
this sediment takes place, it will be just clogged.
correct,
I have seen. In fact, I can take my rubber mallet and bang, 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 bang.
yeah,
Then you backflush the thing, the dirt comes out
yeah,
more solid of rust.
correct.
Correct.
That's right. Yeah, that's right. Yeah,
Yeah.
Mr.
So
Raja.
it is there.
So of course we don't want you to bang
No,
because
no, 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 no.
again
I
this
mean,
is
it's a
a
matter.
fiber.
Correct. It's a matter of
I
so
know. Just
certain,
to create
certain.
some
Correct.
disturbance, yeah. So with this, we don't need to create that kind of disturbance because air and water, the air come from is a natural thing. So we're just gonna really disturb all the sand from the bottom up.
Agitate lah.
Yeah,
Can
and
agitate.
you can press this one, Mr. Raja. Press with just use your. You see what happening inside?
You can feel
You
the
can see.
bubble, the
Yeah,
bubbling
this is
effect.
quite high pressure as well. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
so you can actually have, yeah, and later part after this process you can actually see the water come out is even dirtier. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
again I'm just gonna bear in mind just now we did the backwash clean already, right? But still
Mm.
later you see after that. Yeah, okay. So after we done this one, we're gonna done it for this filter also. So
Mm.
both will have this kind of effect. So again, come back again. Why in manual system? Because we can't control. The system can only work. It depend on us, and sometimes we are busy. We not. So, but the thing is this: if this media have carbon inside, do you have
They have
inside? Yeah, they
stage,
have
and one of it is a carbon.
carbon. Correct. Carbon can do wonderful job. What is the job for carbon? Is basically absorb the
Absorb all
chlorine.
the okay.
Yeah, chemical is the most easy that carbon gets absorbed. But carbon also got the limitation
Mm-hmm.
because carbon, if I take a carbon in my hand, right, can absorb, right? But there is a limit. After the limit reach, it will vomit out all the toxin back to water. So that's why many customers probably they are not aware on this. Yeah, you can do lots of things with carbon, but you need to maintain the carbon. You need to protect the carbon. Yeah. So as a water filtration engineering, I'm also being trained as an engineer. You can actually see that this is the thing. Yeah. So the more longer, it can even clog up. Yeah, and it'll be very difficult to actually clean thoroughly with a normal valve manual like this. Yeah, the only way to have the key is consistency. So the best time to actually backwash is about 2 a.m. in the morning when in this neighborhood nobody use water. Yeah, then you have a little bit of elevated pressure that you can actually best time to backwash. And when you backwash, you can even do daily, 2 days once. Yeah, in the water plant they do it almost once or twice. Yeah, 1 or 2 days once. Yeah, and they understand this very well. In fact, they do the same thing, but we are the miniature version of
Yeah,
this.
correct.
Over there is a very big plant system.
system.
They
That's
will
a real
have
system
the
for that.
air from the bottom.
Agitate the thing.
Same thing like this. Now you can see, yeah, Mr. Raja. Now you press some more. It's actually more better and better. Because why? All right, we're back here, and let's try to see. I'm just gonna off the pump. Yeah, off the pump, the air pump. Okay, let it settle in. Just gonna close it here. Yeah. So I'm just gonna open back the water. Up or down just now?
Up, up.
Up, yeah.
Is it up?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's check. Oh, you can record now.
Sorry.
Yeah, you can record. Okay, now water coming in, refilling the tank. You see, just now crystal clear. So just now already clear. How come there's still dirt there? So this is all the residue, yeah, because during the process just now, all lots of the dirt, yeah, will be floating on top. So by having this will clean all the trapped sediment. Yeah, so it's a chocolate, so there's an indication of decay. Yeah. So just now we don't do much. Yeah, basically, we just inject the air, so the system will just take from the bottom and disturb all the thing inside. Yeah. So you can see it's not totally clean. Yeah. Okay, we're back. Now tank number 2. Yeah. You ready, Mr. Raju?
Yeah. Yes.
Yes.
Just to see what is the agitation
What's
outcome.
the hidden truth actually? Because all trapped sediment is all carcinogenic. Yeah. So I'm just gonna off it, off the pump, air pump, settle down, close the air valve here. Then now it's backwash. Just gonna open up here. Now this is second tank now.
So it has to fill this guy up and then goes to here.
Yeah. We fill this guy, the first one. Yeah. Because the first tank we done already. Okay. Actually, the second tank, lots of them a bit neglected sometimes because the pressure is so slower because
This already absorbing the.
correct, yeah. So let it settle down for a while. All right, you can see. See, just now it's super clean. Now this is the hidden truth. The hidden truth. Yeah. So this brown color, yeah, they're brown, right? So with chlorine, it's actually toxin. So what we can do now is actually make sure, this is the hidden truth. Make sure that the the process of cleaning have to be more consistent, so it will not make the media, carbon media, also lump, right? And also will be able to filter properly without trapping lots of dirt. Because if you take it out, or doing a regular auto backwash before it can actually attack the carbon, is actually more better for the carbon. So we also recommend, if it is 2 tank configuration, send carbon. That's all. Yeah. But of course you need auto system, because this one is not easy as well. So we can actually set programmable, yeah, to actually do it. Yeah. So this one, the media also not fully settled down. We can actually see unevenness. If it is still pure like that, it will not be like this. It will just flowing. This one like got
It's
batu.
still finding its location to settle down, like lah.
Yeah,
Or the bubbles has to come out. Maybe combine lah.
yeah, yeah. So just look. So that is the hidden truth of the filter. So if you clean your filter, it's not 100%. Definitely to clean thoroughly, you need air cover or more consistent backwash. All right.